Hi there, welcome to the last section. Now after we created 3 different applications with ARCore, it's time to tie an end to our little journey together. I'll tell you a bit about the current business implementations of AR, Unity's own augmented reality API, the future of AR, and afterwards we'll end the course. If you're thinking about getting into creating augmented reality applications professionally, I think it's a good idea to check out not only the game industry, but also the other exciting industries which utilize augmented reality. Think about retail applications, such as IKEA Place, which lets users place more than 2,000 different furniture items and how these would look and fit in their homes. Or Nike Fit, which lets users scan their feet through a combination of computer vision, data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence to measure the full shape of both feet and allow them to decide which shoe style fits best. If we look at the business and science applications, we could think about PTC's Viforia Expert Capture, where users can show location-specific guidance for frontline workers. It gives a great opportunity for more easily sharing knowledge. Looking at education and more art, we can see that companies such as LightUp and even Google themselves are trying to push the boundaries of augmented reality. The Google Expeditions app is able to show over 900 VR expeditions and over 100 AR expeditions as well, ranging from learning about Impressionism to comets to computer graphics. With the monthly AR app, you're even able to utilize augmented reality to step into other worlds and learn other languages in a fun, fast, and interactive way.